Think Hungary is all about goulash and paprika. While the food is amazing, there's so much more to discover, from thermal baths that heal and rejuvenate to stunning castles that transport you to another era. Hungary is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. So get ready to immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Hungarian culture, history, and natural beauty. Budapest, divided by the Danube River, offers a unique blend of history and modern life. Explore the majestic Parliament building, soak in the healing waters of the thermal baths, and enjoy the vibrant nightlife. Lake Balaton. Escape to the shores of Lake Balaton, Hungary's largest freshwater lake, often called the Hungarian Sea. Relax on sandy beaches, explore charming towns, and indulge in fresh fish delicacies. Eger wine and castles. Explore the historic town of Eger, famous for its delicious wines, and the iconic Eger Castle. Learn about the Turkish siege and enjoy a wine-tasting tour. Pécs, a hidden gem with Roman ruins. Discover the vibrant city of Pécs with its Roman catacombs, Ottoman architecture, and a thriving cultural scene. Szentendre, a charming artist colony. Escape to the charming town of Szentendre, known for its art galleries, museums, and beautiful riverside location. Hungary offers a surprising mix of history, culture, and natural beauty. Let me know in the comments below which Hungarian adventure sparks your interest the most.